Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of M.G. Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Welcome to 11th Maths Part 1st. Topic number 1st, Angle and its measurement. Subunit, directed angle and its type. So let's start today's video. Hello students, welcome to online lecture of 11th Maths 1st. Student, in first video of your 11th standard, I had told you what are the concepts in maths. There are two parts of the maths part first and maths part second. Today we are going to study about maths part first. Topic number first, angle and its measurement. Do you know the word angle? You had learned the word angle from 6th standard. You had learned how to draw angle of any measures. You know, we measure angle. See, this is the angle of 30-degree angle. Okay, you suppose this is the angle of ABC, is the angle of 30 degree. And here I also draw here one angle, PQR. Here in this way we measure this angle with the help of protractor. We take here protractor and measure in this way. Means this direction is, and here in this way. Here we suppose this direction as clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Means what? See, आपण घड्याळाची पहिली लाईन या रोटेशनला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण? क्लॉकवाईज. आणि या रोटेशनला काय म्हणणार आहे? अँटी क्लॉकवाईज. या रोटेशनला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण? क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन. आणि या रोटेशनला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण? अँटी क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन. क्लॉकवाईज मीन्स घड्याळाच्या दिशेने, घड्याळाची काठी कशी अशी फिरतात ना, त्या दिशेने जे अँगल असतील ते. आणि ह्या डायरेक्शनला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण? घड्याळाच्या विरुद्ध दिशेने, म्हणून काय म्हटलेलं आहे? अँटी क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन. हियर बोथ एंगल्स आर ऑफ 30 degree, but difference is this is in anti-clockwise direction and this is in clockwise direction. So we will see how to write this angle in anti-clockwise direction, in clockwise direction, and how to measure its angle. Somewhere angles are positive, somewhere angles are negative. You had not learned in earlier up to 10th standard, but in 11th standard we will see how to measure angle in clockwise direction and in anti-clockwise direction and their signs about the angles. So we first point we will see is the directed angle. So let's start. Student, you see in the page number 1st of maths textbook part 1st. Here I don't write all these things, only here you understand the concept and all the definitions and figures you draw with the help of your textbook, or you have no textbook, then you refer the PDF. Okay. Now in the page number 1st you had given directed angle. I here told you the concept. Okay. See here, OA is the ray. Consider the ray OA. If we rotate the OA up to OP, then we get this angle. Here direction is important, therefore it is called a directed angle. Here in this way, if you draw in this way, then the directed direction will be changed. So here if OA rotates up to OB, then the angle formed by AOB is called a directed angle. Okay, so how write the definition? The ordered pair OA bar and OB bar together with the rotation of ray OA to the position of the ray OB is called a directed angle. We denote this directed angle as directed angle AOB. We denote in this way. Okay. Angle नुसतं म्हटलं तर कसं लिहितो आपण? अँगल नुसतं म्हटलं तर अँगल AOB असं लिहितो. पेअर आहे OA बार आणि OB बार. ह्यांचं डायरेक्शन इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. ऑर्डर्ड पेअर कोणती आहे इथं? OA बार and OB bar. If OA bar and OB bar are the ordered pair together with the rotation from OA to OB, then the angle formed is the directed angle AOB. We denote in this way. Okay. If the rotation of the initial ray to the anticlockwise, then the measure of directed angle is considered as positive. बघा मगाशी मी सांगितलेलं होतं तुम्हाला, एक तर अँगल आपण असा म्हणू शकतो किंवा एक तर अँगल आपण असा म्हणू शकतो. ओके, इन दिस वे. मग इथं अँटी क्लॉकवाईज असेल तर पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायचं आहे. हा कसा आहे बघा, अँटी क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन आहे. अँटी क्लॉकवाईज असेल तर काय घ्यायचं आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह घ्यायचं आहे. If the angle is measured in anti-clockwise direction, then we take it as positive. And if here it is clockwise direction, see in this way. So it is in clockwise direction. So we take this angle as negative. Okay. See once again I will tell you here OA bar is the initial arm. This arm is called the initial arm. And OB bar we called it as terminal arm. Terminal arm. Okay. So this angle is formed. It's called a directed angle. Here this is the initial arm. This is terminal arm. This is initial arm. This is terminal arm. Okay. If you measure in this way, same angle. If you measure in this way. Here this is the initial arm and this is terminal arm. Okay, understand which is the initial arm and which is the terminal arm. जिथून स्टार्ट होणार आहे तो अँगल मोजायला तो इनिशियल आर्म, जिथे एंड होणार आहे त्याला टर्मिनल आर्म होणार आहे. इनिशियल टर्मिनल and here initial arm this is and this is up to here, it is terminal arm. And the angle, if we measure this angle, if the rotation of the initial ray to terminal ray is in anti-clockwise direction, then we take the angle as positive. And if the rotation of the initial arm to terminal arm is in clockwise direction, then we take the angle negative. Okay, understand up to this? All this point understand you? Okay. Let's see the next point in the page number 2. Here you observe students, suppose this is of 30 degree and this is also of 30 degree. One more concept here I will clear you. Both are angle of 30 degree but it is in anti-clockwise direction. So we take this angle as, see, we take this as, this is in anti-clockwise direction. So we take this as positive, means 30 degree. Okay, and here this angle is clockwise direction, means here it is minus 30 degree. Okay, suppose this is A, B, C. You suppose both the angles, and here also suppose A, B, C. Here directed angle ABC is equal to 30 degree and here ABC is equal to minus 30 degree. This is directed angle. Here both angles are not same here. Okay, angle ABC is not equal to here angle CAB, or you write, or in this way you write angle A, directed angle ABC is not equal to directed angle CBA. Okay, this angle is here, this angle is CBA. Okay, here both the angles, directed angles are not same because it is positive, it is negative. Okay, understand, first point is the directed angle. See student, next point is zero angle. See, all these concepts you had learned in 9th and 10th standard, from 6th, 7th, 8th standard, different types of angle. But only difference is here, these angles are directed angles. Means here you remember the initial arm and terminal arm, and also you remember the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So what is the zero angle? See, this is the ray OA, and if the ray OA does not rotate, means it remains at itself, OP. Means here initial arm is OA and initial final arm is OP. Same. Okay. If the ray OA has no rotation, means zero rotation, that is it does not rotate, initial arm itself is the final, that is terminal arm, then it is called a zero angle. Okay. Then one rotation angle. See, what is the difference between zero rotation and one rotation? In the one rotation, if the OA is the initial arm, then it is one rotation. It rotates. See, it rotates in such a way. It's rotate up to position OB. This is called a one rotation angle. What is difference here? Here OA and OB are on the same arm. Here also OA and OB are coincides, means same arm. Only difference is here initial arm does not rotate. It itself at the final arm, and here initial arm rotate completely and comes again that position, and we get the final arm. So it is one rotation. One rotation is of 360 degree. Here angle is 0 degree. Here AOB is equal to 0 degree. Here this directed angle AOB is equal to how many? See, this is the 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree. It is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, or maybe it is clockwise direction also. So we take here negative minus 360 degree. Okay, understand? One rotation. Then straight angle. See, this is OA. If OA rotates to OB, then this angle formed is called a straight angle, or this angle we denote by straight angle. Okay, here straight angle is half the one rotation is the straight angle. Means here angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Okay, and last is the right angles. Right angles about the quadrant. See, here we take OA arm and here we take OB. This is the right angle. 1/4 of one rotation. One rotation चा 1/4 म्हणजे काय येणार आहे? Right angle येणार आहे. Or it is half of the straight angle. This is the right angle. Okay. Now we will see angles in standard positions. Which are the angles in standard position? Angles in quadrant we will see. See student, next point is angles in standard position. What is the standard position angle? We will see here. In our rectangular coordinate system, see, you know this is the coordinate system. We call this as x dash axis, and this is y dash axis. Suppose here I draw some angles. In first quadrant I draw one angle. Okay. In second quadrant I draw one angle. In third quadrant also I draw one angle. Here student, you see, in our rectangular coordinate system, a directed angle with vertex at origin. वर्टेक्स काय पाहिजे स्टँडर्ड पोझिशन मध्ये वर्टेक्स काय पाहिजे ओरिजिन ओ अँड इट्स इनिशियल रे इज ऑन द पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स एक्सिस. बघा काय सांगाले मी अँगल्स इन स्टँडर्ड पोझिशन मध्ये वर्टेक्स ओरिजिन मध्ये असणार आहे कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टीम मध्ये आणि इनिशियल आर्क असणार आहे पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स एक्सिस. एक्स एक्सिस वर एका राईट हँड साइडला काय असणार आहे पॉझिटिव्ह आणि लेफ्ट हँड साइडला काय असणार आहे निगेटिव्ह. मग तसं इनिशियल आर्क म्हणजे अँगलचं स्टार्टिंग काय पाहिजे पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स एक्सिसला पाहिजे. ओके कोणताही अँगल तुम्ही असा मोजा क्लॉकवाईज अँटी क्लॉकवाईज मोजा किंवा क्लॉकवाईज मोजा क्लॉकवाईज मोजा तो मोजताना इनिशियल आर्क कुठला पाहिजे पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स ॲक्सिसवर पाहिजे. देन इट इज कॉल्ड अ स्टँडर्ड पोझिशन. मग तो अँगल काय असणार आहे स्टँडर्ड पोझिशन मध्ये असणार. ओके सी हियर आय ड्रॉ फिगर हियर. Here I write this as x, suppose this is x O, here P, Q and R suppose. Okay. Here this angle is suppose angle XOP, directed angle. First angle is here directed angle XOP is there. XOP's vertex is O and its initial arm is XO, means OX is there. It is on positive x-axis. So it is in standard position. Similarly, see this is XOQ, directed angle XOQ. Its initial arm is on the x-axis, positive x-axis. So it is also standard position angle. Here, if you take in this way, directed angle XOR. See here x O R means here. This is in also vertex is O and initial arc is on positive x axis. So it is also standard position angle. But see I write here angle. We write this as angle. Suppose I write here P. You take the angle POR. Take angle POR. See here POR. Its vertex is at origin, but its initial arc is not on the positive x-axis. It is on the quadrant. So it is not angle in standard position. Okay. कारण हे काय आलं ना तर त्याचा इनिशियल आर्क काय आहे पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स ॲक्सिस वर नाही म्हणून हा काय होणार नाही स्टँडर्ड पोझिशनचा अँगल होणार नाही. अंडरस्टँड अँगल्स इन स्टँडर्ड पोझिशन त्याचा वर्टेक्स ओरिजिन पाहिजे आणि इनिशियल आर्म पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स ॲक्सिस वर पाहिजे. तुम्ही हा अँगल घेऊ शकताय बघा हा अँगल घेऊ शकताय का मी असा अँगल लिहिला हा डायरेक्टेड अँगल XOR असा हा अँगल घेतला हा चालेल कारण हा काय आहे फक्त हे अँटी क्लॉकवाईज होतं हे काय आहे क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन पण याचा इनिशियल आर्म काय आहे पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स ॲक्सिस वर आहे ना त्यामुळे हा अँगल्स इन स्टँडर्ड पोझिशन होणार आहे. ओके अंडरस्टँड. सी देर आर डिफरंट डेफिनेशन्स बट सिंपल यू अंडरस्टँड फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन्स क्लिअरली. ओके now we will see next points angles in a quadrant, that is quadrant angles. Angles in quadrant. What are the angles in quadrant? A directed angle in standard position is said to be in particular quadrant if its terminal ray lies in that quadrant. Okay, means what? See, angles in quadrant means see in this figure XOP, it is a directed angle. It lies in all angles initial arc is on positive x axis. So angles in quadrant depends on its terminal angle, terminal arc. ओके बघा प्रत्येक अँगल्स इन स्टँडर्ड पोझिशनचा इनिशियल आर्म काय असणार आहे? पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स ॲक्सिसवरच असणार आहे का? ओके. फक्त बघायचं काय आपण आता टर्मिनल आर्म त्याचा कुठं आहे त्यावरचं क्वाड्रंट ठरणार आहे, कुठल्या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये एंगल आहे. मग ह्या अँगलचं बघा XOP या अँगलचा टर्मिनल आर्म कुठल्या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये आहे? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंटमध्ये. सो अँगल डायरेक्टेड अँगल XOP lies in first quadrant. Okay. Then directed angle XOR. See, this is the directed angle. Directed angle XOR. Initial arm is OX and final arm is OR. OR lies in third quadrant. So it lies in third quadrant. Okay. Similarly, XOQ, directed angle XOQ. Its initial arm is OX and final arm is OQ. It lies in second quadrant. So this angle lies in second quadrant. Okay, understand? Angles in quadrant. Then quadrantal angle, we call it as quadrantal angle. What is the quadrantal angles? Quadrantal angles. What are the quadrantal angles? See, x extension, this is suppose y dash. Then which are the quadrantal angles? Here XOP. Here I write here O. This is the point P. Here suppose this is the point Q. R and S. R and suppose this is the point S. So here angle XOP, angle XOQ, angle XOR and angle XOS are called the quadrantal angles. हे दोन्ही मध्ये काय फरक आहे बघा. कुठले कुठले एंगल्स? डायरेक्टेड एंगल XOP, डायरेक्टेड एंगल XOQ, डायरेक्टेड एंगल XOR and directed angle XOS. या दोन्हीतला फरक लक्षात आला बघा. यामध्ये इनिशियल आर्म कुठे होती? पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स ॲक्सिसवर होती. फायनल आर्म ज्या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये आहे त्या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये तो एंगल आहे असं आपण म्हणतो. हा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंटमध्ये, हा सेकंड, हा थर्ड, इथं काढला तर इथं फोर्थ. आणि इथं काय ऑब्झर्व आहे बघा, अँगल XOP हा काय याला क्वाड्रंटल अँगल असं म्हणलेला आहे. म्हणजे काय, तो कुठल्याही क्वाड्रंटमध्ये असणार नाही, म्हणजे तो ॲक्सिसवर प्रेझेंट असणार आहे, म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणलेलं आहे? क्वाड्रंटल अँगल्स असं म्हणलेलं आहे. बघा XOP हा काय आहे? एक्स ॲक्सिसवरच आहे. इनिशियल आर्म पण एक्स ॲक्सिसवर आहे आणि फायनल आर्म पण एक्स ॲक्सिसवर आहे. XOQ इनिशियल आर्म एक्स ॲक्सिस पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स ॲक्सिसवर आहे आणि टर्मिनल आर्म पॉझिटिव्ह वाय ॲक्सिसवर आहे. XOR इनिशियल आर्म एक्स ॲक्सिसवर आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स ॲक्सिसवर आहे, टर्मिनल आर्म निगेटिव्ह एक्स ॲक्सिसवर आहे. अँड XOS positive x axis and last final arm is on negative y axis. So here both the initial and final arms are on the axis. So these angles are called quadrantal angles. Okay, understand all these concept. Now one more concept is remain. See student, the last one, coterminal angle. This is the new word, coterminal. See what is the meaning? Directed angles of different amount of rotations. Directed angle पाहिजे आणि काय पाहिजे? Different amount of rotations. There may be different rotations having the same position of initial rays and terminal rays are called coterminal angles. असे एंगल्स आपल्याला काढायचे आहे ज्याची पोझिशन काय आहे, इनिशियल रे आणि फायनल रे मीन्स टर्मिनल रे ची पोझिशन काय पाहिजे, सेम तीच पाहिजे. फक्त फरक कुठे होणार आहे, डिफरंट अमाऊंट ऑफ रोटेशन्स. रोटेशन कुठेही डिफरंट अमाऊंट मध्ये चालतात. याला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण, को टर्मिनल अँगल म्हणणार आहे. म्हणजे काय बघा, मी फिगर काढते इथं, लक्षात येते का बघा, इथं मी अँगल काढला. ओके, सपोज दिस इज अँगल, डायरेक्टेड अँगल AO. Here I take different rotations, see, with different chalks. See, first rotation is, suppose this is the first rotation. This is the direct angle AOB. Suppose this angle is 30 degree. Okay, so this is the 30 degree. Then I take the complete angle. In this way also, see, it is the arm is first here, initial arm is, this is initial and this is terminal. Co-terminal angle ला काय लागणार आहे, इनिशियल आणि टर्मिनल आर्म सेम असणार आहे, फक्त तर रोटेशन चेंज होणार आहे, डिफरंट अमाऊंट ऑफ रोटेशन. हे पहिलं रोटेशन झालं असं. दुसरं रोटेशन मी इथून बघा अँटी क्लॉकवाईज घेतलं तर क्लॉकवाईज मध्ये मी असं घेऊ शकते का, स्टार्टिंग इनिशियल हाच आहे आणि एंड कुठे झाला, इकडे झाला. मग हा अँगल किती येईल बघा, हा क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन आहे का अँटी क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन आहे, त्यामुळे हा पॉझिटिव्ह होतो. हा काय बघा क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन असावा. पूर्ण कंप्लीट अँगल किती असणार आहे, 360 मधनं हा 30 गेला म्हणजे हा अँगल किती येणार आहे, -330 डिग्री येणार आहे. ओके, आणखी काय करू शकता बघा तुम्ही, मी हा पूर्ण अँगल असा घेतला, स्टार्टिंग का O ने घेतलं आणि एंड कुठं करणार आहे बघा, OB ला एंड केलं. स्टार्टिंग O चा इनिशियल आणि एंड कुठं केलं, OB ला. मग हा अँगल किती होईल, हा कसा आहे बघा क्लॉकवाईज डायरेक्शन आहे. मग हा इथून स्टार्ट झालाय, इथून स्टार्ट झाला इथपर्यंत आला 360 आणि हा 30 म्हणजे हा पूर्ण किती होणार आहे, 360 + 30 म्हणजे किती होईल, 390 डिग्री. मीन्स हियर स्टुडंट, you observe this angle 30 degree, this 390 degree and -330 degree are co-terminal angles. These angles are co-terminal angles. From figure we write as, this is the 30 degree angles. Okay, its initial arm is OA, final arm is or terminal arm is OB. Then 390, its initial arm is OA, complete angle and up to OB. Means this is 360 + 30, 390. And both these 30 and 390 are in clockwise, anti-clockwise direction. So it is positive. And here OA is the initial arm. I take clockwise direction up to OB. So it is -330 degree. Okay, understand? So these are the angles. You can write such types of angle are called co-terminal angles. Okay, so students, in this video we started topic number first, angle and its measurement. Here we had seen first how to write directed angle. Okay, how to write directed angle? We take the position of initial arm and final arm and we write the directed angle. Then what is the sign of that directed angle? If the angle is in clockwise direction, then we take it as negative, and if it is anti-clockwise direction, then we take this as positive angle. Okay, then we had seen zero angle. If the initial arm and final arm are on the same line, then it is zero angle. One rotation, initial arm take the position up to final arm. Then we take this is as one rotation. Straight angle, measure is 180 degree, and right angle we had seen. Then we had seen angles in standard position. How to write angles in standard position? if its vertex is at origin and its initial arc is on positive x-axis, then we call it as the angles are in standard position. Then we had seen angles in quadrant and quadrantal angles. And lastly, we had seen what is the coterminal angle. So students, your today's homework is write all these concepts, definitions and figures I had told you in this video. It is on textbook page number 1, 2 and 3. Write all these concepts and figures in your notebook and recite the definition, understand the concept. Okay, we will stop here. Next video we will see the new concepts. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.